Summertime has rolled in, and I know a lot of you guys are going to want to try different styles because lace front wigs is not going to always be hitting, okay? So today I have a video on something that's new to me, but it's definitely the trend right now, which is tape-ins. I did receive these tape-ins from YWigs. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box, so be sure to check there, giving you up close and personal details of how I installed these tape-ins. If you guys are curious, if you're a beginner like myself, or if you just want to see me struggle, go ahead and stay tuned. You want to start off this process with your hair freshly washed, and then you want to make sure to blow out your hair. And if you have a kinkier texture like myself, then go ahead and flat iron it as well, because you want your hair to be as straight as possible so that your natural hair will match the extensions, because that is major key with this style. Oh, in the struggle, pray for us, pray for my head. The concept of this style is very easy. What you want to do is part out a small section that is the size of the tape in. You want to essentially tape the tape in under your hairline, like keep it about a half an inch away from your scalp. That way, if you want to pull your hair up into a ponytail or a bun or whatever, you can pull it up and there's no tension on your hair. And then you take the other piece, and you see how my daughter is doing right now. You kind of just sandwich that in with your hair in the middle. I wish I would have been able to put a little bit more effort into this video, but we were kind of in a rush, so I couldn't zoom in as properly as I would like so you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. But again, all you have to do is search up different videos on YouTube, and there's other women on here who have demonstrated how you do tape-ins. This is a little sneak peek of the behind the scenes of how I achieve my tape-ins. I did receive 3 bundles, however I only ended up using 1 bundle. Y'all see I got a little peanut head or whatever, and being that this was my first time, we were all over the place. We were definitely in a struggle. The next time I decide to do this style, I will take my time and I'll make sure that I'm installing it myself, which is going to take some time and effort and some good mirrors so I can see the parts and everything. But you can definitely achieve this style at home. Would I recommend you doing this style on yourself? If you have a lot of time and patience, yes. It didn't take that long actually to do it with my daughter's help, but I do feel like this style will come out the best if you have someone who's skilled or a professional do it for you. So, as I mentioned, we only use 1 bundle, and I'm gonna go in later on, as you guys will see in my final clip, and just trim some of that hair off so that it just essentially turned out looking like my hair but fuller. But I think that this concept is great for someone who likes to wear their hair out. The maintenance of it is, I mean, it's just like wearing your natural hair, so it's kind of high maintenance, especially if you are someone who doesn't like to keep adding heat to your hair, so keep that in mind. But I think it's a beautiful concept. I didn't have any issues with the actual hair. The texture matched my hair very well. So it's editing OhSo. I wanted to pop in really quickly, me and my bump. I ended up trimming. Essentially, I trimmed it down to the length of my hair, and I love the way it looks so much more. I should have showed it to you guys when I had it down earlier, but it looks so much more natural, being that I only use 1 bundle. So yeah, I definitely would suggest this hair if you want a fuller look with your own natural hair. Yes, it's giving. I wanted to reiterate that this is a style that takes patience or a professional to achieve the perfect look, but I think I did well. Let me know down below how you think we did. Also, be sure to check out YWigs. I'll have all their information linked in my description box. And this style is pretty affordable to achieve, so I can't complain whatsoever.